Hey guys, here are the answers to the following worksheet. Hope you found it easy. We're going to go to the next part of the unit tomorrow. Okay. It says which expression is equivalent to this. So we want to simplify it by multiplying first the 3 and the 6. That gives us 18. When we have the same base, we add the exponents. That gives us x to the 7th power over 2 to the x to the 3rd power. We can now simplify this by 9 over 1, because 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 18 9 times, and then we're going to subtract the exponents here, and that would give us 9x to the 4th. So your answer is D. Number 2 says which expression represents the area of a square with sides length of this. So we're multiplying 3xy to the 2nd power times 3xy to the 2nd power. That would give us 9x to the 2nd power and y to the 4th power. So therefore your answer is J. We're going to do the same thing down here. And we have 3x to the 2nd power y times 4x to the 3rd power y to the 2nd power. 3 times 4 is 12. Add the exponents. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 1 plus 2 is 3. I'm sorry, this is 12. I don't know why I wrote that. 12x to the 5th y to the 3rd. So your answer is C. Number 4, which expression is equivalent to this? So first we multiply, so we have 12x to the 8th over 2x to the 4th, and that's going to give us 6x to the 4th. Your answer is B. What is equivalent to y to the negative 3 power? So we have 2y to the negative 3 power. We need to change that to 2 over y to the 3rd power. Therefore, your answer is J. Simplify the following. We have 3 times 8 is 24. X will become x to the 7th power and y to the 8th power. Okay, so your answer is H. Moving right along, we want to simplify this. So first we need to get rid of the exponent here and here. So negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, x to the 10th, and y to the 6th power. Then this becomes 2 times 2 times 2, so that would be 8 x to the 9th power and y to the 12th power. Now we can simplify it. 9 times 8 is 72, x to the 19th power and y to the 18th power. So your answer is A. Number 8, all these negatives really throw everybody off, but let's see if we can do it easy. I know I'm not even going to use this negative, so I'm just going to not look at it. I'm going to put my finger over it. So I know I can simplify this because 4 can go into 4 one time. 4 can go into 16 4 times. Okay? That leaves me with 4c to the negative 1 d to the 3rd. And then we have c to the 2nd power and d to the negative 3rd power. Still looks pretty messy, but let's see if we can fix it. So first of all, we need to combine these, and this is going to give me, I'm going to bring the 4 here, and we're going to get c to the negative 3, because we have negative 1 and negative 2 equals negative 3. So we did the 4, we did the C's, and now we're going to do the D's. We have 3 minus a negative 3, and that's going to give me 6. So we're going to have D to the 6. And then we can't have this, so we need to move that down. So that's going to leave us with 4 D to the 6 over C to the 3rd. Let's see. And then, of course, we have our negative. So I'm going to put that here. So let's see if we have that somewhere. There's a C to the 3rd. C to the 3rd. Negative 4 D to the 6. So your answer is G. This is a difficult one. Number 9. Okay, we have an exponent out here. We've got to apply it to everything. So 2 to the 3rd power is 2 times 2 times 2. So that's going to give us 8. And then we have x to the 9th power. And then we have y to the negative 6th power. Then underneath we have 3 times 3 times 3. That would be 27. Y to the negative 9 power. Messy. So we can't do anything here. So we know we're going to have an 8 and a 27. So we can mark that one off. And everything else is good. So we know we're going to have x to the 9th power because there's no x down here. So we already know this is our answer because it's the only one that has x to the 9th power. But let's finish it out. So we have negative 6 minus a negative 9. So that's going to make our y positive. So we're going to have y to the 3rd. If you did it this way and you got, let's see, negative 6 plus 9. Yeah, that's it. Because even if you put negative 3 down there, well, that's not it. This is the way to do it, and our answer is B. Number 10. We can simplify here by 3. 3 goes into 6. Well, actually, 6 goes into 6 one time. 6 goes into 18 3 times. And then we have A to the negative 4. And then we have B to the 6th power. We can't have that here, so we have to move that down here. So it's going to be 3b to the 6th over a to the 4th. That's it. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting all the exponents up here on the top and then moving them down if I need to. If they're negative. That does it, guys. That's 1 through 10. The questions are 5 points apiece. Please turn your grade into Canvas. That'll do it. Thanks for watching.